A bit of a windstorm happening here. So I thought I might record it to illustrate some of the weather in the north. Okay. All them women gonna make me teach them what they don't know how. I'm going to Jackson. Between your legs, yeah. Well, it's just really not capturing the full effect of the amount of dirt that's in here. Whoa. We got married in a fever, hotter than a pepper sprout. We've been talking about Jackson. That just blew off. We're going to Jackson, and that's the fact. This is like tornado skies.